So you would like to learn how to install Windows/Linux on your computer and you're not sure where you should start. Well, you should start by using a tool called Rufus. Let's learn about it.
Okay, let's go.
Alrighty, everybody. Now we're here at Rufus's website. What is Rufus? At its core, Rufus is a free open source utility for Windows that formats and creates bootable USB drives. And yes, if you didn't get that, don't worry. I'm going to break it down for you in just a second. Think of it like this. In the past, if you wanted to install an operating system like Windows or Linux, you would need to burn it onto a CD or DVD. Since most modern day computers no longer have disk drives, the standard method is to use a USB drive. Rufus is the tool that correctly prepares that USB drive, turning it from a simple storage device into a disk that a computer can start up or boot from. Its main characteristics are it's fast, it's lightweight, and it's reliable and very, very powerful. It's generally considered one of the fastest tools for this job. The program itself is a tiny file exe that doesn't even have to require installation. It installs temporarily and gets removed off your PC right after you're done with it. It is trusted by IT professionals worldwide. It offers many advanced options that other tools lack. But enough of that. Let's jump into the part that everyone wants to see is how to install it and use it as well. First, you're going to want to go to your favorite browser. It doesn't matter which one you can choose. And you're going to want to go to Google. I'll go ahead and show you here. And just go ahead and simply type in Rufus. And it'll come up pretty quickly. And usually it's the first link right there at the top. Sometimes, other than that, if it's different, if you're in different browsers, usually sometimes it pops up there. But we're going to go to that first link there. And then it's going to bring you to the home page. And then you're going to want to scroll down to the downloads. And then depending on the type of version of the computer that you are running, you're going to want to find the 64-bit. That's the one I'm going to use because that's what I got. So go ahead and click on that 64-bit. You're going to want to save that to any file place you want. Don't worry. Most of the time the default is downloads, so you easily be able to find it. And it should pop up right here in the download. Sorry, I had some other stuff pulled up here. So I will show you just a second. I can switch you over to Explorer. There we go. Should pop up in the downloads here, right under. And you're just going to double click on that. It's going to ask to run as administrator. And ba bing, ba boom, we have Rufus. Alrighty guys, that's going to do it for this little tutorial on Rufus. If you'd like me to make a part 2 of this video to go through and detailedly explain how to use Rufus to create a Windows 11 or 10 or even a Linux bootable drive, I will drop a comment, drop a like down below, and then I'll know that you guys would like to see a part 2 of this video. But with that, I'm going to leave you to it. We'll see you on the next one. Psych. You thought I was going to leave you without my outro? Well, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And all the information that you need from this video is down in the description below. Alright, now I'm done. I just had to mess with you guys. Good night.